on my last episode, I showed this area as being the next project area that I was working on. Well, I have been working on this. It's not done yet, but it's getting closer. Here's a different shot from a different angle of the area that I've been working on. Hello everyone, this is Dale, owner, builder, and operator of the Rock Creek, Platte, and Eastern Model Railroad. I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you some of my techniques and what I've been using and doing on preparing my layout area here for static grass. I'm going to mix some of my paints together, kind of give me the color that I want for my ground area. I just don't like applying the static grass to the wood, so I add my colors. What I've been using for my paints, nothing expensive. I can go to Walmart or wherever and pick up these pretty inexpensive colors, and so that's what I do. That's what I use, and they work really well. Sometimes just spread it out there on the board and have at it. So as I continue my how-to with static grass, I'm just giving you an idea. Here's my material right there. I'm using a 2 mil dark green, light green 2 mil, straw 2 mil. Then I've got the 7 mil, a lighter green, a 4 mil medium green. Then what I found out it works good for me, I'll take the colors that I want to use, let's say, and I put them in my little Tupperware container. And I mix them really good, because usually when they come in these sacks, they're kind of packed in, so I try to separate it as much as I can, because they tell you not to put anything sharp inside your machine when you're doing it, so I don't. There's my glue. Use the regular static glue. I also found out by mixing your regular glue that you use, Elmer's glue, 50/50 glue water, I'll mix that in with the static glue, and it still works excellent. Of course, there's your little stand. I found out also, very important, make sure that that is sitting in the glue, and I usually put it somewhere else from where I'm actually working, let it sit in the glue, and that's really, really important that that is in the glue. Here we go. I'm going to start first by putting down some of my glue. This here is just the 50/50 Elmer's glue and water. Now I'm going to come back and I'm going to add my static glue. And I'm going to spread it around. Here we go. Let's just do it like this for a little bit. That out in the glue. Here we go. Of course, you can add it as thick as you want it or however you want to do it, but I find that blending my colors together has worked out really, really well. Okay, once I've finished with my static grass, I've got a handheld vacuum that I run over it and pull up all the excess static grass. As you can see, I went on ahead and I've got some other stuff that's going to go in here that doesn't need the static grass. Of course, I got a seam right there, but I'll take care of that and you'll never know it was there. Close up. So that's my how-to on static grass on the Rock Creek Platte and Eastern Railroad. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Hit the bell, all that good stuff, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. We'll see you later.